Hello everyone, I am Manveer Kaur, a student of class 9th from Government Senior Secondary School, Todderpur. Today my topic is solution of a quadratic equation with one negative term. As last week, we did the solution of a quadratic equation with all positive terms. But today, we'll learn to solve the quadratic equation with one negative term. So let's get started. First of all, what is a quadratic equation? That polynomial which has degree 2 is called a quadratic equation. The format of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is the format of a quadratic equation and it is always equals to 0. So let's take one example. So it is x squared minus 5x plus 6. To find out the solution of this quadratic equation is the first step is to split the middle term in two terms. Let's think that the first term is A and the second is B. The relationship between these two terms should be that when we add them, the answer should be equal to minus 5, and when we multiply them, the answer should be equal to the multiplication of the coefficient of the first term and the coefficient of the last term. So here the coefficient of x squared is 1 and here the coefficient of x power 0 is plus 6, and when we multiply 1 to 6, the answer is 6. The second step is to find out the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are 1 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 3. So here a equals to plus 1x and b equals to minus 6x. When we add them as 1x plus minus 6x, 1x minus 6x equals to minus 5x, which we need. And when we multiply them as 1 multiplied by minus 6 equals to minus 6. But we need plus 6 here. So these terms are not those terms which we need to find solution of this equation. So let's take 2 and 3 as a equals to minus 2x and b equals to minus 3x. When we add them as minus 2x plus minus 3x, minus 2x minus 3x equals to minus 5x, and this is the need, this is the want. So when we multiply them as minus 2 multiply minus 3 equals to plus 6, which we need. So these are the terms which we need in this equation. So let's write, instead of writing minus 5x, we will write here x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. In the first two terms, what is common? X is common. So x will come out, and in the inner bracket, the remaining part is x minus 2. Because when we multiply x to x, the answer is x squared, and when we multiply x to minus 2, the answer is minus 2x. In the last two terms, what is common? Here minus 3 is common, and the remaining part is x minus 2. Because when we multiply minus 3 to x, the answer is minus 3x. And when we multiply minus 3 to minus 2, the answer is plus 6. So these are two terms. And what is common in both the terms? X minus 2 is common. So it will come out, and in the inner bracket the remaining part is x minus 3. So these both are the factors of this equation. As we know that the quadratic equation is equal to 0. So it can be x minus 2 equals to 0 or x minus 3 equals to 0. So here will be x equals to plus 2, because when we shift minus 2 to the right side, the minus sign changes to plus, and this will happen same here as x equals to plus 3. So plus 2 and plus 3 both are solutions of this equation. We can also check it by inserting plus 2 or plus 3 in this equation instead of writing x. I hope that you understand about the solution of a quadratic equation with one negative term. Thank you and have a good day.